In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add printer in Orca Slicer. Now I'm inside the application, and to add a new printer, we then have to simply create one. Now head over to the prepare option, and from here you then have the printer category. Just click on your current printer right here, and then you want to select the create printer. Now in this section, by creating a new printer, we are basically adding a new one. Now it's really essential to get your printer model right. So if you have something like Realty right here, just simply select it, and then you want to select the right model. So in my case, it's going to be the Realty Ender 6. Once again, it's really important to get everything right for the printer to be compatible with the Orca Slicer presets right here. We have the nozzle diameter, so if you have something like 0.1, 0.4, and 1 millimeter, you can just simply select it. And once again, you then want to do the same thing for the printable size. So in my case, I have 200 by 300, and lastly for the max print height. Once again, you want to make sure that everything is correct right here, so it will be able to print properly on your 3D printer. Just click on the OK button. In here, you have presets if you want to create one, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.